Okay, so now we're going to make our arc here, like you see here. So they're going to start at black at one end and go to the light at the other end. Okay, now when we do this, I pre-fold it first so that it's easy to use. And then I like to use a little bit of glue just to hold the fabric steady, okay? And when you fold this, you can see there's a top line right here. You're going to align this black fabric here. Undo it here so that you stick out 1/4 of an inch from underneath it, and you want it right along that top line, okay, right along this top edge here. All right, so once we do that, we have it kind of stuck pretty well. I'm going to lay this piece right on top of it so those edges match, and then we're going to flip it over and sew on this line. So now you can see we've stitched this on here. I've used a tighter than usual stitch. Usually, you know, when we normally stitch, we use a 2.5. I've used a 2.0 or a 1.5 because you really don't want this falling back out. Now we're going to press this like so. All right, you'll see it adequately covers here. The pattern will give you dimensions, but then we fold on the next line. Take out our lovely little ruler here. Mark that 1/4 of an inch. Okay, if you want to add a 1/4 ruler, that's great. I just use a standard ruler. Now, to make sure that this piece stays in place, another little dab of glue. It's not a lot, but it just makes sure it's not going to flip-flop on us as we move it over to the sewing machine. And then we take this piece again, and again, line this up as best you can with that top edge. Okay, so you're going to go right about here. And this makes sure that you cover the curve. So measuring from the top line, make sure that you cover that curve. There we go. So I'm going to go stitch this together. We'll be right back. You can get the point here of what we're doing. We keep opening it up, pressing it over, get it to stick a little bit better for us. Okay, so that it's not going to go anywhere. There we